Hala.
Russ. What's wrong? What have you done?
We went in there.
One time the police was after us. Oh, stressful.
Good afternoon, guys! Kakatapos ko lang gawin yung aking bisyo. And I'm cooking lunch. Ito, talong na lalagyan natin ng egg. So, yung ginawa ko sa talong is microwave ko siya ng... kinat ko muna siya in half kasi malaki yung talong. Microwave ko siya ng 5 minutes. Kinuha ko yung balat. And nilagay ko dito sa egg. And now, magpapainit tayo ng mantika, guys. Lunchtime. Ito yung ating talong, guys. Banana ketchup and rice. Kain! Kain tayo! Okay, guys. It's time to dye my hair again. So, I dyed my hair, diba? And hindi siya nagustuhan ni Dan. Ililive ko yung link ng video dito. Nasa Pilipinas ako nung dinay ko yung buhok ko. And ganito yung kulay niya. Now, pagka-land pa lang ni Dan sa Pilipinas, sabi niya, I don't like your hair color, it looks orange, ayaw niya daw. Tapos sabi ko, okay lang naman na. Kasi nakikita ko siya, guys, kapag indoors, kapag nasa labas pala, it does look bright. Like, look at this, meron akong natural lighting dito, and yeah, medyo may pagka-orange siya, and hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Nung nasa pool din kami, kasi si Dan, ayaw niya talaga sa hair color ko eh. Nalagi kong dinidelay yung pagkulay. So, tinanong ko yung mama niya. Sabi ko, anong kulay ng buhok ko? Sabi niya, red. Sabi ko, red ba? Grabe. Tapos si Pete, sabi niya, may pagka-orange nga. Sabi niya. So, sila nag-agree silang lahat na may pagka-orange nga daw yung buhok ko. So, sabi ko, sige, papalitan ko siya. Now, papalitan ko yung kulay ng buhok ko, pero hindi ko sasabihin kay Dan na pinalitan ko siya. Tingnan natin kung mas-surprise siya pag nakita niya ako pagdating niya ng bahay, or kung hindi niya mapapansin. Pero, itong kulay na to yung pinili ko this time. Binili ko to dun sa Asian na parang makeup store na meron ding mga food dun sa city. Same brand yung ginamit ko dito sa buhok na to. Yung kulay nito is milk tea brown. And ito, hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko mabasa. Hindi siya, wala akong English na mabasa. Pero ito siya, guys, ay ganyan yung kulay niya. So, it is darker than what I have now. Yung kulay kasi ng buhok ko, hindi naman siya black. So, I didn't go for black. Kasi yung natural hair color ko, it's not black. It is more of like a dark brown shade. So, ito yung closest to my natural hair color. I just hope na makuha ko talaga. Kasi ngayon, sabi ni Dan, ito daw yung kulay ng buhok ko. Sabi ko nga, oo, no? Kapag under natural lighting siguro, ganyan siguro talaga siya tingnan. Kasi sabi ko, hindi naman na. Parang feeling ko kasi ito lang. Sabi niya, hindi niya alam kung bakit hindi ko daw nakikita. Pero yeah. So, kung ganito yung hair color ko nga, magiging ganito siya. So, darker siya. And madali lang to, guys. Sa mga viewer ko dyan na natatakot magkulay ng buhok nila kasi like baka hindi pantay. In fairness naman dito, sa bubble na parang yung formula niya ba, nagiging bubble siya sa buhok mo. Tapos parang nag-a-apply ka lang ng shampoo. In fairness, even naman yung application ng buhok ko, eh, ako lang nito na gumawa nito. Even naman siya, guys. Basta siguro like ayusin mo lang. And please take note, sobrang nipis ng buhok ko ha. So baka sa mga kapal yung buhok, hindi siya mag-work as well. I'm not sure. Pero, ay hala. I don't think you're supposed to shake that. Wait, sorry. Ay hala, gusto pala ni Dan na kulayan ko siya. Diba gusto niya kulayan ko siya? Basahin ko lang yung instruction kung gusto niya nga pala kulayan ko siya. Nakalimutan ko, guys. Basahin ko lang yung instruction kung hanggang kailan ko makikip yung yung pangkulay. Sus, gusto ko sana siyang i-surprise sa hair color. Magpapakulay pala yun. Walang English? Guys, walang English! Yung totoo. Yung ganito ko, yung una, yung ito na kulay, sa style ko siya nakuha. And meron naman siyang English. Ito wali. Naalala ko nga, ang laki nga nung nun eh, instruction pad. Or like ito. Kasi may iba-iba siyang language. Why? Why oh why? Like, maiintindihan ko naman yung picture and how to use. Kaya lang gusto ko sanang malaman kung hanggang kailan ko makikip yung, pangkulay. Okay lang naman siguro. No, makikip ko naman siguro to ngayon. Hindi naman siguro to masisira. Kunti lang naman eh. Okay. So, dito, ilalagay yung ito. So, sa box, it comes with this. Tapos, ito, yung parang pangkulay talaga. And then, ito yung conditioner or yung treatment. Treatment pala, hindi conditioner. It comes with a pair of gloves as well. So, what you do is, ilalagay ito dito. And then, hindi siya isi-shake. Ano mo lang siya, parang i-tilt mo lang siya up to 5 times. Ay, naku. Ala! Ayan. Ayan. So, hindi siya isi-shake, ha? Tilt mo lang siya up to 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Tapos, palitan mo yung takip niya nung may pump. And ito, magpa-pump na to ng bula. So, lagay mo lang yung gloves. Ano pala talaga yung buhok ko, no? Kapag natamahan talaga ng araw, grabe pala talaga siya. Light pala talaga siya. Yun lang. Ayaw ni Dan ng ganong kulay. Alam mo yung okay lang naman, tapos kapag may opinion na yung asawa mo, parang nadadalawang isip ka tuloy. Tapos parang, oo nga no, parang nakukonvince ka na din tuloy na hindi na pala maganda. Alam niyo, nakalimutan ko na talaga kung saang part ng buhok uunahin. Lipat tayo dun sa kabila, guys, kasi nandun yung yung clip sa buhok. Okay, we will just wing it because, alam niyo, see, ngayon na, ngayon na nandito lang ako, hindi nakatutok yung sun. Para sa akin, okay lang yung kulay. Hindi, papalitan natin. Ayan. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Tapos ilagay mo siya sa ulo. Oh my goodness. Madali lang yung buhok ko kasi manipis lang eh. Alright guys, it has been around 25 minutes and tingnan nyo, it is dark. Very dark brown. So maligo lang ako. And sana mapansin din ha, kasi ibang-iba na talaga yan sa kanina. Wala na talaga siya tong orange na Ayan, kakatapos ko lang maligo. It looks really dark here. Pero hindi naman siya ganito ka-dark. My God. Ano ba itong pinagagawa ko sa sarili ko? See? Hindi naman siya ganun ka-dark. Ano ba yan? Wait, see? Hindi naman siya ganun ka-dark, guys. Sa loob, ang dark niya. Tingnan natin kung mapapansin to ni Dan. Kasi si Dan, iwan ko din sa kanya. Tingnan natin kung mapapansin niya to. Pero hindi naman siya as sobrang dark talaga. Medyo basa pa yung buhok ko. Tingnan natin mamaya kapag na-dry na siya. Kasi feeling ko magla-light pa siya ng konti. Pero yeah, kakarating lang ni Dan, guys. Tingnan natin kung mapapansin niya yung buhok ko. Feeling ko mapapansin niya kasi dark eh. Lalo na dito sa loob, dark siya. Tingnan natin. Nabisi ako sa visa. Ang daming kailangan i-submit. Tapos parang pupunta ata yung mama at saka yung mama ni Dan at saka si Pete. Kasi gusto nilang i-check yung lupa. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta sila dito or dediretso na dun. Hello? What's up?
Rice.
Why did you get that?
This will feed you for like 6 months.
Okay, thank you. Daming rice.
Yeah, it's 15 kilos of rice.
Wow! Jasmine? Yeah. Alright. Thank you.
I got alcohol for James and I'm coming over tonight.
Yeah. What time is she coming over?
7:15.
Careful, huh? I'm coming in.
They were half price. I was going to grab one. No, I was going to grab 2, and I thought I'd just grab the whole box. And I was 6%.
Okay. Well, good?
Yeah.
How was your day?
Exhausting.
Okay.
Tired. We're good. I'll start working on what I got to work on.
What do you have to work on?
Your visa stuff.
I know.
I'll do that now.
Ang dami requirements ng visa ko. Oh, can you put that down, please?
What are you trying to look at different? What's wrong? What have you done? You dyed your hair? It does look different. Did you dye it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Did you notice that or no?
It's not as dark as I was expecting. It looks good. It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks good. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's back to normal.
I thought you were gonna notice it right away. So the last one wasn't that light then. If you didn't even notice.
It's still got like a light tinge to it, but it looks better.
Yeah, what time is your mom coming over?
7:15 after dinner.
After dinner.
Yeah, I think it's 7:15. So 2 hours.
Napansin niya, guys. Pero kung hindi ko siya, if I didn't look at you weird, you won't even notice it.
No. I would eventually.
Yeah, eventually, but when?
Eventually, I don't know. Eventually.
I still have some left there if you want me to put that on your hair.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Tonight, later tonight.
Okay, I'm not sure if that's gonna still be good.
Don't do it now.
Up to you.
Yeah, we'll do it now then.
Okay, let's do it now.
Wait, why am I getting undressed?
Yeah, sige. Hello, uy, the visa stuff. I wasn't expecting it's gonna be that hectic.
No, it wasn't.
Daming kailangan asikasuhin. Alam ko na meron kaming kailangan na na isubmit sa kanila, pero hindi ko. Nung binasa ko na talaga siya thoroughly, sabi ko, ang dami pala. Lalo na yung evidence of a relationship. Uy, mga like joint bank statement, which is okay kasi like meron naman kami nun lahat. Ang pag-accumulate lang lahat ng mga requirements, yun yung medyo tricky. Tapos mga bills na may pangalan naming dalawa. Buti na lang meron kaming ganun. Tapos mga picture, guys. Tapos sa picture, lagyan mo ng details kung kailan to na-take tong photo na to, kung sino yung nasa photo. Buti na lang may mga photo kami ni Don na magkasama kami. Kasi usually siya yung nagtitake ng photo ko, diba? Hindi kami magkasama. Pero nag-go through ako sa phone ko kanina. Ang tagal ko natapos. Sabi ko, meron. Buti na lang meron. Guys, we will be cooking dinner. So, meron kaming mushroom yung binili namin kahapon. Yung gagawin, very simple lang. Lalagay namin siya ng cheese, cheddar cheese, and then maglalagay kami ng bacon. Yung bacon namin nasa air fryer na. Air fry namin siya ng mga 6 minutes, not like completely cooked. Yung malapit na siya maluto. Yung ginawa namin sa mushroom, tinanggal lang namin yung ang tawag ito, katawan. Katawan. The body of the mushroom. Because that's the head, right?
That's right.
That's right. That's right. Yun lang yung kinuha namin. Gusto sana namin kunin yung itim, pero hindi siya makuha. Sabi ko, okay lang naman. Maglagay lang tayo ng cheese at saka gagayahin namin yung binili ni Dan ba. Kaya lang kulang kami ng parsley. Wala kami mga ganun. So, yeah. Lagay ka. Cheese. Mas maganda sana kung yung yung maliliit na cheese. Sana ba? Para madami yung pumasok.
So, what cheese? Bacon cheese?
Huh? Cheese, bacon, and then cheese. So I'm just gonna fill it with cheese. A lot of cheese. And then we will put bacon, like the almost cooked bacon. And then
That's enough cheese in it, babe, because you're going to have to put bacon in it still.
it will melt.
Are you melting it and then putting cheese? Are you melting it first?
No, it will melt. So the bacon will go under a bit. And once that's done, we'll put more cheese on top.
Okay.
After it's baked. So after ko siya ma-bake, do you remember how long we baked that other one? Because that was a long time.
Was it?
Yeah.
Ah, I will
Like
wait.
40?
Really?
Was it?
Nah.
Maybe not. Maybe 20.
20 be enough.
Yeah.
It's a mushroom.
So after ko siyang i-bake, so let's say 20 minutes siya sa oven, i-off natin yung oven, tapos maglalagay tayo ng more cheese. Tapos hayaan natin siya doon ng mga ilang minuto. Magme-melt yun kasi mainit pa din yung oven kahit naka-off na.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends.
Ito na yung itsura, guys. Nilagay ko na yung bacon. Yung bacon hindi siya completely luto. Almost luto lang siya. Kasi ayoko naman na sobrang crispy na siya dito. Tapos baka pag bake natin, sobrang crispy pa. Baka hindi na natin makain kasi tumigas na. Lagyan natin yan sa oven for 25 minutes. And I think it's 180 degrees Celsius. How's your hair?
Orange.
Medyo nagka-tint na. Guys, medyo orange yung buhok ni Dan. Well, magpapagupit din naman siya eh. You'll get a haircut next week, yeah? Or this weekend? Sabi niya, bakit may red? Or may orange yung buhok ko? Sabi ko, malay ko ba? Hindi naman yun red-orange. Ito na yung ating mushroom, guys. Na may cheese at may bacon. Eh, nakalimutan ko. Bacon pala to, pork pala to. So, itatry ko na kunin yung mga bacon para hindi ako makakain ng bacon. Pero konti lang naman yun eh. Okay lang yun eh. Yan. Tapos si Dan, air frying steak. There you go. Kain tayo, guys. Ito lang yung dinner ko siguro. Dalawa. Try ko makaubos ng 3. Yeah. We went in there. Just to check. I don't know. Do you know the builder, babe? Ah, there you go. There. Pasok kami dito sa bahay.
I'll do the same as this. So you got the toilet and laundry, exactly the same. And see how the
Careful, babe.
then see how this indents here. Four. So about 9 meters. You might be able to fit 2 cars in that.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
That one turns up and put a car there.
You can fit 2, or you can fit 2 cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. 9 meters.
Yeah.
You gotta tell me where to go. Guys, punta kami sa office ni Dan. Meron lang kaming mga isa-scan, i-print,
Print? Do we need a print? I've got printed. It must be on my desk.
Ah, okay. Yung kontrata ng lupa, naiwan niya sa work. So, kailangan namin yun anuhin. Meron din akong kailangan i-scan para sa visa.
But we can sign it and scan it while we're at work and
Yeah.
get it to him.
Umuwi na yung mama niya at saka si Pete.
I spoke to Tom today as well.
Alright, and?
Yeah, he said it's good. He said, no, it's a good one. So he said the price is good and you done well. All that sort of stuff. And yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
You know what your mom said?
What?
Just remember, Raz, the bigger the house, the more cleaning you have to do. I was like, I know.
It's not big though. It's not small. It's a good size.
Yeah, but there's 2-story of that size.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Ako pala nag-drive, guys, because why am I driving?
Maybe turn the lights, baby. Got the lights on?
Sorry.
Jesus Christ. Why are you driving? I don't know. I should be driving. That's
Uy, hindi pa naman sobrang
How you know the
madilim.
lights are on?
It's really not that dark yet.
Okay.
Ako yung nag-drive, guys. Kasi yung mama niya, sabi niya, huwag pa driving si Dan. Kasi you have 3 glasses?
3 glasses.
Yeah, hindi pwede mag-drive. How do you feel? Are you stressed?
I will be.
I'm a bit stressed, guys. Dahil sa visa. Gusto ko lang matapos na yung visa before namin to harapin tong sobrang ang daming paperwork sa sa kontrata ng lupa. But thankfully, I don't have to worry about that. Sida na lahat dyan.
What's that?
The contract, you'll take care of it, not me. I just have to sign.
That's alright.
Yeah. Kasi ang dami, 58 pages. Good luck kay Danny Boy.
That's not all of it.
Yeah, that's just
That's only part of
start,
it. Yeah.
Who will who else will look at it?
No, I just passed it on to the lawyer, and I just said, can you look through this? Anything I should be concerned about? Is there any costs that I need to be aware about? And he's really good, and I give him a lot of business, so he'll look after us.
Okay.
He won't charge anything. He'll spend like an hour or 2 going through it. And
Aw. Good on him.
yeah. big year, my love.
Yeah,
Right.
big busy year, guys. Big busy year.
2020.
Mm-hmm.
2020 will be our family house. Now we just need that family.
We're building a family house and we're not a family. Now we're a family. You're
We're
my
a family.
family.
We're a family. We just need kids. House will be done and the kids will be there. That's alright. That's good.
Yeah.
At least, you know, one thing I like about it, you know, pretty much the house is won't be finished for another 15 months. So if you get pregnant in the next few months, the baby's gonna live in the new, like, in our old house.
Yeah.
And then, but technically, our kids will only ever know one house. They'll know this is the family house. Like how when you go home, this is a family house.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they'll know this is the house where we were, like, before we were born to, you know, when we leave home. This is a family house. So that's a nice feeling. That's what I like about it. Sorry?
Is it gonna be a nice feeling?
That's a nice feeling. Yeah.
I moved once when I was young. Once only.
Nothing beats going home, and then when you know that's your
And
house.
then you moved how many times? A lot of times.
Exactly.
Dan moved a lot.
A lot.
His family moved a lot.
Yep.
Why were you moving a lot?
All different reasons, my love.
Okay.
All different reasons. One time the police was after us. Sometimes the criminals were after us. We always had to be on the run.
Whatever.
We did.
Stop it, babe.
No, I'm
Stop
serious.
lying.
I'm not
Seriously,
lying.
it's 2020. You have to change.
I'm not changing.
Like, you keep lying, and some people think that you're actually telling the truth because you're really good at it.
If you change houses every 6 months, it makes it hard for people to find you. So when you owe people money, good luck.
No permanent address.
Yep.
That's you.
That's me. Hey, nah, it'll be good. Oh, stressful. My concerns are there's some, like, I'm not worried about the little hidden costs. Little hidden costs we can deal with. The big hidden costs are just add to the whole exercise. So that's what scares me. What else? That we can build something that we'll both be happy with on it. That's another thing that we get what we want out of it.
We should be alright.
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo yung kulay ng book niya. Red, babe.
It is red.
It's not red. It's actually a really nice brown. Check nyo din yung P.O. box ko, guys. Nothing. August. Parang ang lungkot niya tingnan. Are you sad?
Yeah.
You looked really sad there.
Did I?
Let's go. Bahay na kami, guys. Ang bango ng bahay pagpasok. Amoy na amoy yung Palm Beach na watermelon. Amoy na amoy siya. Tapos pagdaan mo dito, amoy na amoy yung waiver tree. Yan eh. Yung diffuser natin na sobrang bango. French pear. Babe, let's not do some paperworks tonight.
No, it's not.
Yeah, kasi it's late. Late na. Let's bring water to the room. Let's put on some mask. And let's go to bed. You okay?
Yeah.
Can you fill my water up, please? Huh? Fill it up. Tapos na ako mag-skincare, guys. Were you a tiger earlier, my love?
I was a tiger.
Yung mask niya kanina, tiger, babe. Your hair, babe. It's okay. It looks good. Yung mask niya kanina, tiger. Bumas na siya sa akin eh. Magkasama na kami sa aming skincare routine. You stressed?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just thinking.
Oh, good. Yeah, I'm gonna close this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good, guys. Bye. Good night. The camera was on you, babe. What were you thinking? You were like thinking deep thoughts. Deep thoughts.